What's up everyone, I'm back here with another video, and today I'm going to be taking a look at a pistol grip for DSLR cameras that I picked up off of Amazon. I picked it up for about 10 bucks with free shipping, which was actually a really good deal. And essentially what this is supposed to allow you to do is it gives you a pistol grip that you can mount on the bottom of your DSLR camera, or basically any other camera that has a standard 1/4 inch tripod screw, and it allows you to basically give it a little handle that you can hold it with. So anyway, let's go ahead and take it out. The box is very undescriptive. It does not tell you at all what is in here. But here is the actual device itself. From first impressions, the quality of it doesn't appear to be the best, but really, I mean, you can't expect much for only 10 bucks considering. But it's not bad. But this is, that's basically all this is. It's a little handle, and it has a tripod screw on the top, as well as a mounting plate, so the camera can rest on that. And then on the bottom, you also have a secondary tripod screw input if you want to mount the camera on this, as well as this on a tripod, if that is your preference. And then we also have a little locking wheel here, so you can screw the little screw into the camera. So I'm going to go ahead and screw it into the camera now. Okay, so this is basically what you're going to see when the device is mounted to a camera. So it just, like I said, mounts to any standard 1/4 inch tripod screw. And essentially my purpose that I'm going to be using this for is primarily for video. So I'm going to essentially be using this grip so I can record video handheld with my camera. And that's basically what it's meant to be used for. It could be used for pictures as well, but I really wouldn't recommend it. Although, I mean, you could hold it here. You can hold it with your left hand or whichever and trigger the shutter such as that. But yeah, it's super simple. Like I said, it's mainly geared for video, so you can record video really easily. Instead of having to hold the camera up here on the grip, you can hold this with the pistol grip and easily. So yeah, like I said, you can use this with pretty much any camera that has a 1/4 inch tripod screw, and it should work just fine. The quality, like I said, is not the greatest, but it should work pretty decently for if you're not going to mount a really heavy camera to this. You should be entirely fine. But yeah, that's basically it. I will provide a link in the description below if you guys are interested in picking up one of these grips. Hope you guys have enjoyed. Hit that subscribe button right down below. It is greatly appreciated. And hit that thumbs up button as well. That is also much appreciated. It lets me know that you guys are enjoying my videos. And if you guys need help or have any questions or comments, just drop those in the section below and I'll get back to them as soon as I possibly can. So yeah, with that all being said, hope you guys have enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.